How does e-sign consent work for online payday loans? Imagine being able to get a payday loan without printing a single paper document or meeting in person. That's what electronic signatures make possible for online payday loans. When you apply for a payday loan online, the lender needs your agreement to use electronic records and signatures instead of paper forms. This process is guided by laws called the Electronic Signatures in Global and National Commerce Act and the Uniform Electronic Transactions Act. These laws say electronic signatures are just as valid as handwritten ones. So, lenders can send you the loan documents through a secure online platform. Before you sign anything, they must give you a clear notice explaining your right to receive paper copies and how you can change your mind anytime. You might see a button labeled "I agree," or you may be asked to type your name, enter a personal identification number, or use a finger or stylus to sign digitally. Once you give your consent, the lender can proceed with the electronic signing process. They need to keep a record of your agreement, which includes the date and time you signed, to stay compliant with laws. This record is stored securely so it can be reviewed later if needed. For example, if you decide you no longer want to use electronic signatures, you can withdraw your consent and request paper copies. The lender must have a process in place for this, including any fees involved. Using electronic signatures for payday loans makes the process faster and more convenient. It reduces the chance of losing documents and makes record-keeping easier. But lenders must also ensure their digital signature systems meet legal standards to avoid issues. To do this, they often use trusted digital signature platforms that follow federal and state laws. For banks and credit unions, adding e-sign consent means integrating secure signing tools into their loan systems, training staff on how to handle electronic agreements, and regularly checking that everything is working properly. This way, they can process payday loans more quickly, provide better service, and keep everything legal. So, in simple terms, e-sign consent is a safe, legal way for you to agree to payday loan terms online, making borrowing easier and faster.